Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add shipping charges in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to access to your web store or website. So basically here I'm using WordPress with WooCommerce, and all we need to do now is to go to start setting up the shipping rates, etc. of WooCommerce. So now we need just to click on WooCommerce. We go to settings, and after that you will need to go to shipping. So basically here we will need to go to shipping, and after that we can start adding the prices, etc. If you cannot find shipping, you might not have only the extension for the shipping. So you might just go to extensions, and basically you can start search for the shipping, or you can simply go to plugins so you can add the plugins for WooCommerce. So as you can see here, if I go to plugins, I will find many plugins for WooCommerce. I have the checkout plugins, the integration of Facebook, etc., etc. So now let's go back to our WooCommerce settings, and then we will dive into the shipping settings. So here we click on settings, and now we need just to go to shipping, and basically here we will find the zones. So all you need to do is to start clicking on the edit zone, or you can also add some shipping zone if you have many. So I'm just going to click on edit for this one, and as you can see now we can find the shipping methods, and basically you won't want to have, for example, free shipping. You can add shipping methods, and from here you can start adding the rates. So basically we can make it as flat rate, and I'm just going to click here, and now you can see that you have the flat rate, and you can start adding the cost, and of course either it is taxable or not. And by this you are changing you're adding shipping charges, and basically you will add as many costs as you want, etc. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.